Hello everyone, welcome to my another interesting vlog video, and it's me, Ms. Alvin Moshi, with another interesting vlog video. So today, I got an invitation from my aunt, so we're gonna visit these types of place, and I'm so excited to explore these types of village cottage and of course eat the foods they offer us. So let's get on to the video. So we're at the kitchen, village kitchen. Okay, this drink's actually called a lemonade. I love lemonade, and now I'm gonna take this lemonade like this. I enjoy the lemonade so much because it's very hot weather outside. So they prepare all the ingredients they have for cooking. So there is lots of ingredients they have for cooking, and I love to see the ingredients and the nature. So you could see there are a soil stove over here, and over there is another soil stove. Here the dish will be prepared, and over there the fire is burning out. So here the masala are being prepared because I love it, the sound. They are also preparing the beefs, which is main ingredients. It's also the main ingredients, pungish fish. I love it so much, and I also love the beefs too. So here's the kitchen view. Now they offer us some sweets because I'm a sweets lover. So I love sweets. So here they mix the ingredients together and it feels so good. Wow, the beef is preparing for us. I love the beef too. Then in this time I play with my cousins. Over there I could see they're preparing a delicious dish for us, which is corn chips. Now we're gonna eat it. With my cousins, I'm gonna eat it. Those are too delicious with our online Ludo game. After finishing the Ludo game, when I see the beef is very prepared and you can see it is so delicious, so I think, why don't I try? So here I try the delicious beef ever. So it's too spicy and so nice. It's delicious. I couldn't forget the taste. So they're also preparing pulao for us. Then they're also preparing the fish now. After pulao, now we're gonna see the pulao. Wow, it's so delicious. It looks so delicious, and these fish are also very delicious, I think. Now I'm gonna try the delicious dish. So I'm eating it very nicely because I love it so much, and it's so delicious, you couldn't believe it. So we have a great day together, and I have so much fun. So in the next video, bye bye.